Well, here's the finished product with the modified aluminum bike rack installed on our truck, along the roof rack rails, and all 4 Trek bikes loaded and ready to go. But first, let's take a look at how this turned out. The bike rack is attached to the rails of the roof rack with 4 L brackets. The height of the L brackets gives us just enough room to close and open our tonneau cover underneath the bike rack. However, we have to do this when the bikes are not on the rack, because when they are installed and strapped onto the bike rack, the tires rest just enough below the rack that there's not enough clearance to get the cover through. Next, we will install all 4 of our Trek bikes. We start with a Trek Verve 3, which my wife rides. Then next up is our daughter's Trek Excalibur 7. We then will put on our son's Trek Fuel EX8, and last is my Trek Stash 5. These bikes range from a narrower cruiser-style tire on the Verve to a mid-fat 3-inch wide tire on the Stash.
Getting ready for a bike ride here. Bike's all loaded up. Hair is getting braided so it doesn't get caught in the chain. It's getting that long. Oh, okay. Anxious to see how this bike rack works. It's a little windy today, so hopefully they don't blow off.
We traveled for about 10 miles, unloaded the bikes for a ride, and then headed back home. Overall, they traveled very well and we had no issues.
We made it. So did the bikes. Seemed to work.
Here we will demonstrate how we remove the bikes from the rack.
Unfastened. Kind of did that one in a unique way. That goes through twice. Ready? Up against the garage if you could. Good ride. How much do you weigh? Oh, really? For every inch of what?
So many pounds per inch of height.
Oh, okay.
Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos surrounding our biking adventures here at Our Big House in the Little Woods. Thanks for watching.